Look, if you're like me, your garage is more than just a place to park. It's a workshop, a gym, or just where you go to escape. But man, that heat can get brutal. I went out and actually grabbed 5 of the most popular units on the market to see which ones can actually handle the heat. Product number 1, Frigidaire 5000 BTU window unit. When I first pulled this Frigidaire out of the box, I was honestly surprised by how light it felt. It's a compact little thing, but the bill doesn't feel cheap. Installing it in my side window was a breeze because of those adjustable side panels. They actually stayed put while I was screwing them in, which isn't always the case with budget units. Now, let's be real. This is a 5000 BTU unit. If you've got a massive 3-car garage, this isn't going to turn it into a freezer. But I tested this in my smaller workspace, about 150 square feet, and it held its own. The effortless temperature control isn't just a fancy name. It actually kept the room at a steady 72 degrees without constantly cycling on and off like a jet engine. Speaking of noise, at 52 decibels, it's quiet enough that I could still hear my podcast while working on my bench. One thing I really appreciated was the auto restart. We get some power blips in my neighborhood, and it was nice to walk out there and see it had popped right back to my previous settings. It's got a washable filter that slides right out, so you don't have to spend extra money on replacements. If you have a small, well-insulated nook or a tiny shed-style garage, this is the most reliable, budget-friendly way to stop sweating through your shirt.
Product number 2, Coolson 14,000 BTU portable AC. Moving on to something with way more muscle, the Coolson. This thing is a beast. As soon as I rolled it into place on those 360-degree wheels, I could tell it was built for bigger tasks. It has this massive 77-degree air outlet on the front that looks like it belongs on a much more expensive machine. When I fired it up in the middle of a 90-degree afternoon, the difference was almost instant. It uses R32 refrigerant, which is more efficient, and I could feel the air temperature dropping within minutes. I pushed it to the limit in a 700 square foot space, and it actually managed to circulate the air all the way to the corners. The sleep mode was a nice touch too. Even though it's a high-power unit, it dropped down to 44 decibels, which is basically a low hum. My favorite part, though, has to be the auto evaporation tech. In the past, I've had portable units that leaked water all over my garage floor, but this one handles the moisture internally. It's also got a child lock, which is great if you have kids running around your workspace. It's a 3-in-1, so it works as a dehumidifier and a fan as well. If you're working in a large open garage and you don't want to mess with permanent installation, this is the powerhouse you want in your corner.
Product number 3, Senville Lido Series Mini Split. Now, if you're looking for a permanent solution and you're tired of window units, I had to try out the Senville Mini Split. Holding the indoor air handler, you can see the quality. It's sleek, white, and looks professional. Just a heads up though, you're going to want a pro to install this. It comes with the lines and the refrigerant, but it's a serious piece of equipment. Once it was up and running, it blew everything else out of the water. The noise level, or lack thereof, is insane. At 28 decibels, I literally forgot it was on. But the real kicker here is the Alexa integration. I could be inside the house, tell Alexa to cool the garage to 70 degrees, and by the time I walked out there, it was perfect. It's also a heat pump, so it'll keep you warm in the winter down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. The energy efficiency is where you really save. With a 20.8 CR2 rating, my power bill didn't take the hit I expected. It's a 1-ton unit, so it handles big spaces with ease. The remote is straightforward, but I mostly use the phone app to set schedules. This is for the person who spends hours every day in their garage and wants a set-it-and-forget-it climate control system that looks and feels high-end.
Product number 4, Winter ARC-C ARC 14S Dual Hose Portable AC. I've heard a lot about the Winter ARC-C ARC 14S, so I had to see if the hype was real. When I unboxed it, the platinum and black finish immediately stood out. It looks a lot more industrial and rugged than the others. It's a dual hose system, which is a huge deal because it doesn't create that negative air pressure that sucks hot air back into the room. In my testing, this was the most effective portable unit for consistent cooling. Because of those 2 hoses, it cooled my 500 square foot test area way faster than the single hose models. I noticed the air felt crisper, likely thanks to the activated carbon filter that helps scrub out that garage smell of oil and exhaust. It's rated for 71 pints of dehumidification a day, which is massive if you live somewhere humid.
The auto drain function worked perfectly in my environment, so I didn't have to keep a bucket nearby. It is a bit heavier than the others, but the cooling performance justifies the wait. It's been around for a while and even won some big awards recently, and I can see why. It's reliable, it's tough, and it feels like it's built to last for years of heavy use. If you have a humid garage and need something that can run all day without breaking a sweat, this is the one to get.
Product number 5, DeMonkey 14,000 BTU Portable AC. Finally, I spent some time with the DeMonkey 14,000 BTU unit. When I first touched it, the compact design struck me. It's actually a bit smaller in dimensions than the CoolZone, but it packs the same 14,000 BTU punch. It feels solid, and the casters are really smooth, which made moving it from my camper van to the garage super easy. What I really liked about this one was the auto swing feature. Instead of just blowing air in one direction, it moves the louvers to spread the cold air around, which I found really helped eliminate those hot spots behind my workbench. I tested the sleep mode, and it stayed right around 48 decibels, which is perfect if you're using your garage as a temporary guest room or a quiet office. The installation kit was actually one of the easiest to set up. I had it in the window in under 5 minutes without needing a single tool. It's also got a 24-hour timer, so I could set it to turn on an hour before I planned to go out and work. The remote has a 23-foot range, so I didn't have to keep getting up to adjust the temp. It's a great all-arounder that balances power with a smaller footprint. If you need a powerful unit but you're tight on floor space, this DeMonkey model fits the bill perfectly.
That's the lineup. Whether you need a permanent mini split or a portable unit you can move around, one of these will definitely get the job done. Make sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices. Stay cool out there, and I'll see you in the next one.